Somya says, I am planning a deep learning project to predict urban floods and suggest green spaces to mitigate risk from unplanned urbanization using satellite imagery. Could you please share your thoughts on it? Oh, wow, that sounds really interesting. Are you doing this for your self-study? Or what is the like it don't, I'm not smart enough to talk about, you know, the level of advancement in computer vision, but I mean, to me this sounds like a fairly high level project, right? Planning a deep learning project to predict urban floods and suggest green space mitigation for unplanned urbanization using you're gonna need a lot of data, right? Like, I'm curious about this. Like, what are your plans for the data set you're going to use for this? You're going to need a lot of data and a lot of storage, right? And also, tell me a little bit about your background, because I'm assuming this isn't your first rodeo, right? This project doesn't sound like it's something that somebody new to computer vision would be taking up, right? You've probably done a couple, is that what I'm guessing? So let me know about that. But it sounds interesting to me. It sounds like you're gonna need a lot of data though. But give me some more details there, Sammy. It sounds interesting.